Hello friends, welcome back. Now we are going to read about the Gorkha land, this demand for Gorkha land. Okay, Gorkha land region consists of Nepali-speaking people of Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Kurseong, and Ali and other hilly districts of West Bengal. Okay, we'll see in the map. This map is not very good, no. So I have downloaded a map from the internet. This one. So this is Darjeeling. Okay, this is West Bengal Darjeeling. This is West Bengal Kalimpong. This is Kurseong, okay, and other hilly districts of the West Bengal. What are the other hilly districts of Bengal? This whole map is for the Gorkha land, okay, demand for the Gorkha land, okay, in the West Bengal itself, okay. So Nagarakata, Banarhat, Madarihat, Kalchini, okay, Birpara, Chalsa, Siliguri, okay, Siliguri, Malbazar, okay. So just see on the map of India. Here, see the Indian map is like this. Indian boundary. This is West Bengal. This here, this one is Bangladesh. This is West Bengal. So West Bengal like this. Okay. Here Bihar boundary. So this is this one. This one. This one is Gorkha land. Okay. Here. When you go little bit eastwards towards Assam, here they are asking for this Bodoland. So this one I am made them. I have downloaded the map for Bodoland also. This red one. 1, 2, 3, 4. One is Kokrajhar, Chirang. Second is Chirang. Okay. Third is Buxa. Okay. Third is Buxa and fourth is Udalguri, okay. So Kokrajhar, Chirang, Buxa, Udalguri. This is for the borderland, okay. So enough with the mapping. Now we'll see. Okay, Gorkha land region. Gorkha land region consists of Nepali-speaking people of Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Kurseong, and other districts of West Bengal. The crisis of Gorkha land has been brewing for many decades and stems from the language. Okay, language crisis stems from the language. Okay, the first demand for Gorkha land was submitted in 1907 to the Parliamentary reforms. Okay, since then there was various violent protest. Okay, Gorkha land territorial administration (GTA). GTA is semi-autonomous administrative body for the Darjeeling and Kalimpong hills in West Bengal. We'll again see where is Darjeeling, Kalimpong. Okay, again see. So this is Darjeeling. This is Kalimpong. So GTA for this. GTA is semi-autonomous administrative body for Darjeeling and Kalimpong hills in the West Bengal, India. It was created by West Bengal Legislative Assembly by passing bill in 2011. Okay, region cited for the creation of Gorkha land state. Again, same region, common region, but this one is okay. The O's is origin, and the demand for the Gorkha land owes its origin to the flawed report of the language census of 1949 that preceded the creation of linguistic states. The census found only 49,000 people in the Darjeeling. Okay, Hills spoke Gorkhali. Gorkhas say this number did not reflect the reality. Residents of the region have hardly any connection with the Bengali community, which are different in ethnicity, culture, and language. Okay, due to the decisions by imposing Bengali language, residents of the region fear that culture, language, and their identity will be under threat. Okay, GTA has been a failure. Why? Because substantial administrative and fiscal authority has remained with the state government district heads. Yes, it is a common problem everywhere, na? And district DM. There is also constant interference by the state government. Yes, there will be always constant interference in the state government. The region continues to suffer because this is very, if you live in the practical world, no, so there will not be, there is nothing like, everything can be boxed like 3 tiers of government, cannot be boxed. They are interconnected in some sense, and there is interference of each other on each other by each other. Okay, so it happens. Okay, the region continues to suffer from backwardness. Okay, a small state will ensure better governance. This is their thought process, that a state will ensure better governance and development. Okay, and opposition to demand. So Bodoland tribal area districts of Assam and indigenous, if you accept this demand, no, if we will accept this demand of this Gorkha land, then Bodoland tribal area districts of Assam, the districts, see, I'll show you the map. That's why I told you, these are the Bodoland tribal area districts of, okay, this is just adjacent to the this perceived Gorkha land. So they will also ask for the something, on the same lines. Okay. And indigenous people front of Tripura, Tripura, if you see the map of like this Tripura, Tripura here, Tripura, Mizoram. So indigenous people front of Tripura will intensify their demands. Okay, they will also intensify demands for a separate state. We can't betray the effort of Sardar Patel of consolidating India. Okay, Mamata Banerjee, Chief Minister, CM, has already said that Bengal cannot suffer from the pain of yet another partition. Okay, concerns from continuous interest. See, when this is very this area, this Siliguri, Siliguri corridor, and this chicken snack is very sensitive. See, first of all, there are international boundaries there. Okay, down below you have Bangladesh. Here you have Bhutan, China, here Nepal. Okay, and moreover, lots of state boundaries are also converging here. If I can draw the map once again. First of like this. Okay, this. Okay, this. Okay, so if you see the Bihar now, Bihar is like this, and this West Bengal, like this here, so Bihar is also converging here. Okay, on the top you have Sikkim, you have West Bengal. Okay, then you have Assam. Okay, so this is geographical flux, boundary flux there. Every boundary is here. So that's why it is very sensitive. And over there is a demand for this Gorkha land. Okay, so what are the concerns? China, the agitation, if not resolved, can create an internal security challenge. And Darjeeling is strategically located close to the Sino-Indian border. Yes, an army. It can also create resentment to the Gorkha regiment. Okay. Gorkha regiment, majority of whom are recruited from this region. We should remember the mutinies of the 1857, okay, and revolt of 1946. This is this is one perspective from the this Gorkha land, Gorkha regiment people may get affected because they are emotionally attached to that, but it is a challenge for the army also to liaise with so many authorities, and there is a alleged influx of this Bangladeshi illegal immigrants here. There are districts of this here, what do you call that, West Bengal, and then Bihar, Purnia from here. So this is very sensitive. Way ahead, the state government should resolve the underlying grievances by respecting their culture, not imposing Bengali on them, and trying out various political alternatives to ensure GTA functions smoothly. Gorkha Territorial Authority, this with Darjeeling and what is this? Darjeeling and Kalimpong. This Darjeeling, this makes a GTA. Okay, so the state government should remove the underlying grievances by respecting the culture and not imposing Bengali, and trying out various political alternatives to ensure GTA functions smoothly and creating jobs so as to remove the backboners in the region. Okay, thank you.